Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Propose greeting to all of us, healthy greeting to all of us activities of the extension of community service lecture of Indonesia Prison International Community Service Activity, which will be held on Saturday until Sunday, February 3 and until 4, 2024. Permission to introduce myself. I'm Yapiter Marpi from the University Jakarta. On this occasion, I will present a material entitled "The Role of Law Society in Social Life." This is introduction. This is a background, when the imperative record by history that human cannot avoid is the demand for dynamics, change, development, and renewal in their life, both in economic, political, cultural, education, social, and legal aspect. This renewal is a historical, logical consequence that follow and underline human life. Like which in the state life on which place the legal aspect as supremacy, which according to a Constitution 1945 Constitution has strengthened the state position as the state of law restart, then legislative work judicial organic implementation of the Constitution also require right that are constitution and interest of life, including the citizen. Legal reform will be difficult to avoid in social and national life when the nation citizen consider that there are several public and private rights that require a guarantee of certainly drop change in their protection, which is the writing method in paper. This paper writing literature review method and normative literature and the theoretical study and discuss. This is law and social change, di para di built by Thomas Scan is related to people like Thomas Kuhn. Many expert in Indonesia discuss careful the relation between law, power, and society. The other of them are the focus of attention, considering their respective position which support and influence other. For example, in scientific power, writing the author law and social change, he has outlined two aspects of legal role in relation to social change, namely, and the first law as a mean of control, and the second law mean of engineering. In such a parliament in education, I mentioned that in conflict through the enactment of law, the law that applies in society theoretical is a collection of rule, norm, that education society to direct toward desired ideal. Uh, this change, driven by external factor, automatically to law provide set of law and regulation that guarantee legal certainty and guarantee the uploading of the justice in a society. For example, the birth of the copyright law, the law on consumer protection and environment law, and the law in health. These various law and regulation were born because they were influenced by every changing demand and development of society. The mutual influence between law and society has the strength the view of social dynamic, and legal dynamic, or in other words, law change in line with the change in society itself. If the law doesn't place a societal change as a historical paradigm that necessarily and often then the law will because or being out filing and translate the interest of a social dynamic. If the law is a cause of this because it is treated as a for stagnation, then the risk is that idealized legal theories that will be able to implement it will ultimately fight, and there usually value which do not be seen. And conclusion this paper, uh, the existence of law can become law and become a tool for organization, influencing and renewing people life, people to better and behavior can be guiding in the strike and constructive direct in the law can be important as a strategy for to influence it. Thank you very much. Presentation will be ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.